Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make this cute little narwhal out of polymer clay, resin, and some glitters. And this is a special video because I'll be using one entire block of clay for this project. And this is in conjunction with Sophie and Toffee. I used some materials I got from Sophie and Toffee, and I believe this is the Creative Reichi box, so you can see her video and her tutorial on how to use all the items in this kit. So first I'm going to open this block of clay, and I'm going to try to use this entire block of clay for this project. The first step was to condition the clay because it was very dry and very stiff. And once conditioned, I rolled it into a ball. So to make the basic whale shape, I just pinched out a little corner of the ball to make a tail, and I bent it upwards. For the side fins, we're going to take some clay and pinch it into a teardrop shape. And then you want to cut it at a slant using your blade. And we're going to attach that onto the side of the body. Then I'm using my needle tool for some blending magic. For the tail fins, I'm taking some more clay and I'm pinching it into a teardrop shape. And I incorporated the eye pins that came in the Sophie and Toffee box just to reinforce the tail fins onto the whale better. And I pushed the little wires into the tail. And did some more blending magic. To make the narwhal horn, and fun fact, it's actually a tooth and not a horn, we're gonna roll some snakes to clay and we're gonna put them together and give it a nice twist. And we're going to incorporate another eye pin into the whale just to give the horn extra support. And of course, we need to give it 2 dot eyes. Then you want to bake according to instructions, and here I have my cute little narwhal that's purely white. Then I took a cotton pad with some nail polish remover just to clean off the white clay, just because there was so much dust on it. Next, I poured some UV resin into a little bowl so I can use it as a little glaze for my narwhal. And once the resin was cured, I dabbed some silver powder onto the applicator. And I applied the silver powder all over the resin. As you can see, it has this very shiny pearly gloss to it. And I added another layer of resin just to kind of seal that in. So then I thought, why not do the rest of the narwhal? So I glazed the rest of the narwhal with some UV resin and I allowed that to cure. Then I tried using the glitters that came in the Sophie and Toffee box and I applied it, but you kind of couldn't see it because it was just so subtle and the colors were just not that vibrant. So I tried doing some other glitter mixtures that came from previous Sophie and Toffee boxes, and it was vibrant, but it just looked not as I expected. So then I was thinking maybe if I added more glitter, it would look better, but it really didn't help much. So then I took more of that silver powder and I dabbed it all around the narwhal to kind of cover it up. And it did cover it up somewhat, but you could still see the glitter. And I added some UV resin and glitter on top of the silver, and that's when it kind of came together. It looked so much better that way. And I was really content with the design after all that experimenting and all that trial and error. But this is how my narwhal looks, and I used the entire block of clay, minus a little bit because it was the extra from the horn. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've never made a piece that took up an entire block of clay before, and this is my first time, and I haven't actually used this coloring technique ever either, so it was very new. Ignore the white base. I actually didn't color anything with the bottom of the whale just because if it's on the table or anywhere, no one's gonna see it, so that's just gonna be our little secret. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe I'll do more trying to use entire blocks of clay videos next time. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.